All right, so it's Monday, June 13th, 2022, and they just issued a tornado warning for Cook County and I think Lake County. Anyway, just came up to the roof real quick to see what's going on. This is the first time I've ever heard the tornado sirens going off outside of a test. So that's kind of unusual. The storm is coming in from the northwest. It looks like it's tracking a little bit north of us, as you can see out in the distance here. So I don't know if it'll stay north of us or what, but kind of